One of the most requested topics we get from viewers is show me websites where I can make money online. As some of you know, there are many sites that aren't trustworthy and never pay out. So in this special edition of the Useful Website series, I will show you the legitimate sites that can produce income for you online. While some of these are great for generating a full or part-time income, the others I'll mention might come in handy if you're just looking for some extra cash. Let's get started. First up is Shopify. If you have products or services you'd like to sell, this site provides you with an economical solution to build your own storefront on the web without the need to hire additional staff. You'll start out by creating a business name and logo, along with buying a domain that suits your business. When you're building your online store, no coding experience is needed. They make it easy to set up and includes a ton of features, including more than 70 themes to choose from. While they do offer about 10 themes which are free, most do cost money, usually around $160 to $180, which is still quite a bit less than the cost of hiring a professional web designer. After your online store is set up, you'll be able to accept just about every major form of payment and start making money. If you'd like to try Shopify for free, they offer a 14-day free trial. If you're just starting out building your business, I'd recommend starting out with the $29 or $79 per month plans. Ibotta is an app for both Android and iOS that pays you cash back for purchases made in a store and when you shop online. The overall review score is great for both the Android and iOS apps. You won't get rich using it, but at least you can earn some extra cash back on the products you already buy. Before you shop at one of the 280 participating stores, you'll first need to add the offers within the app. When you're done shopping, you'll need to take a photo of your receipt. Within 48 hours, your cash back will show up in your Ibotta account. The process is very similar when making in-app purchases, except that you won't need to take a photo of your receipt. Before you can cash out, you must have earned at least $20 with Ibotta. You'll have the choice of transferring your money to PayPal or Venmo. If you prefer, you can choose to convert your funds into a gift card instead. Fiverr is popular with freelancers using their skills to earn some extra cash, which can become a significant sum over the long term if your services are in high demand. What you offer could be just about anything, from design work, writing, building a website, translation, voiceovers, video work, and a whole lot more. How Fiverr works is that you post your service, known as a gig. The default price is $5, hence the name Fiverr, but you can charge whatever you want. After you have completed the work, you get paid. Upwork is another website to consider if you're a freelancer for offering just about any professional service. It's similar to Fiverr, but in reverse. Instead of the clients finding you, you will have to compete with others bidding on open projects. If you win the bid, the client will offer you the job. Just like Fiverr, the earning potential with Upwork will vary depending on your skill level. Swagbucks is a popular rewards website that lets you redeem points for cash or gift cards. Rewards generally take up to 10 days to receive. They give you several ways to earn points. Shopping online at more than 1,500 retailers, including Starbucks, Amazon, Target, and Walmart. By giving your opinions, filling out surveys. Watching video playlists. Checking out offers and deals from major brands. Searching the web using their Yahoo-powered search engine. If you're not a fan of Yahoo, I'd avoid doing that one if I were you. And you can earn points by playing games and making in-game purchases. Gazelle is a great site for selling an old smartphone or other device that you're no longer using. The site is easy to use. Click on Sell Smart. Select your device. I'll go with Samsung. Select your carrier. Mine is unlocked, so I'll click on Factory Unlocked. And here it is. Click on Get an Offer. In this example, if the condition of the phone was good, the Gazelle offer would be $255. Mine is more in fair condition, so that knocks the offer down to $230, which is $230 more than not selling it and having it collect dust. Gazelle will pay for the shipping, and your payment options are PayPal, check, or Amazon gift card. Gazelle is my first choice for selling old electronics, but if you need an alternative, check out Swappa. In addition to phones and laptops, You can sell your old video games, watches, and cameras to earn some extra cash. People keep telling me that YouTube is a great site to earn money. I'll have to check it out sometime. In all seriousness, many YouTube partners do earn a good living creating videos for YouTube. To get paid for the videos you upload, you must be part of the YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the minimum eligibility requirements to join, your channel will get reviewed to see if it follows all of the guidelines listed, including having more than 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. If you have a good ear for music or eye for fashion, Slice the Pie will pay you for your reviews. Over time, as your reviews get better, you can earn more money. Payments are made via PayPal with a minimum of $10 to withdraw. Shutterstock is one of the most popular websites for stock photos. If you have photography skills, you can make money by selling your images. To get your photos accepted by Shutterstock, they must be high quality. Once your images are uploaded and available on Shutterstock, there is the potential that the site could be a great source for passive income, because you'll earn money every time somebody downloads your image. Other places where you can sell your photos include Adobe Stock and the sites owned by Getty, which include Getty Images and iStock. If you're a skilled videographer, I'd recommend selling your stock footage on some of these leading sites, including VideoHive, which is part of the Envato market, Pond5, which reportedly has the world's largest collection of stock footage, and Dissolve, which also has a positive reputation for working with sellers. TranscribeMe is an interesting site that will pay you to transcribe audio files with no prior transcription experience needed. All that's required is that you pass a short test and have a computer with a dependable internet connection. They claim to pay between $15 to $22 per audio hour. I have a friend who swears by this company. She says her monthly average is around $400. You can withdraw your funds at any time as long as you've earned at least $1. It won't replace a full-time job, but may come in handy if you're looking for supplemental income. If you're the type of person that enjoys teaching people new skills, you might want to give Udemy a try. The site allows anyone to create an online course on just about any subject. This can also be a great form of passive income that will pay you whenever a student takes your course. They'll provide you with the resources you need, along with 24/7 support to get your course up and running. Most of you are probably familiar with flipping houses to generate a profit. Flippa is similar, but instead of houses, you buy and sell websites with the hope of making money. They have various business types to choose from, including e-commerce, subscription, and others. You will need to know what you're doing on Flippa, as it does involve financial risk. But if you're able to take an existing site with low revenue and turn it into a profit-generating machine, you could end up making a sizable income reselling that website. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description. Hopefully this video helped those of you looking to make money online. If it did, give it a thumbs up and share with others. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the most useful websites and other tech-related stuff from Tech Gumbo.